In this video, we're going to look at how to make an introduction screencast by marrying Google Slides and Screencastify. So, here I have a Google slideshow made to kind of simulate what an introductory slideshow might look like. So it's in Google Slides. Over here you can see my title slide, and then I have one slide with some images on it and another and another. So it's a slideshow you might create to introduce yourself or to have your whole group take a slide and introduce themselves by making it a collaborative slide deck. I want to show you a couple of tricks about using Google Slides. And the first one is, if you notice in this image, the introductory slide that I used, I still have the URL bar, but I don't have a lot of the other things. Like I don't have over here, it doesn't show how many slides I have in this slide deck. It looks very different than this one, right? Looks nicer, looks cleaner. Well, there's a quick little trick to that, and that's right up here in the URL bar. If you click at the very end and you delete everything up to the word edit, or rather through the word edit, if you delete that and then you type the word present, you don't change anything about the slideshow except that you put it in present mode, and you still have your tabs and the URL so you can address it, and you still have your extensions. If you go into regular present mode, here, I'll go back to edit, so I'll delete all that and I'll just type edit. If I go into regular present mode, it's going to take over my screen, right? So I go to view, present. It gets as big as my screen, and it's cut off for you because I'm actually only recording a part of my screen. So, quick little tool to use when you're making screencasts is to go ahead and go to present in the URL, and then you can use this as a slideshow to present and still have extensions if you need them, bookmarks if you use them, and all of your tabs. So I'm making a screencast of this slideshow, and here's my introductory slide. So my name is Jan Parker, and I click again, 3 things about me. And so we're going to pretend like I'm introducing myself. So one of the things about me is that I have this fascination and love for border collies. I just find them amazing animals. I can't pass a border collie on the street and not stop and pet it. The second thing about me is that I am a fanatic about Texas Longhorn football. And a third thing about me is that I love to ski. So this is a picture of a Colorado mountain with some fresh powder on it. Makes me wish I was there right now. The point of this video is to show you how you can use Google Slides to make a screencast video and present really anything you want. You could make it as a tutorial. You could create it as a collaborative event for people to join in on. You could videotape this one and then just share the link in the next one and ask people to go to it and build their slides. There's just a ton of ways to think about it as a way to share your screen with people and your voice asynchronously, so people can watch this whenever they want to. So that's how you use a Google slideshow and a screencast.